Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to export your board to Excel in Monday web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your monday.com website by going to your browser and type monday.com, and then you will access to the account. After that you will need to create a new account with by signing up with your email. And if you do already have an account, just sign in or log in with your account, and then we need to follow the simple steps. And basically this is just the home page. Now we need to go to our board so we can export it to Excel. And basically you will find your boards here, or you can just go here to your work management and you will find your board here. I just named it my board here in this example so I can show you. And basically the thing that we are going to do now is to go to this 3-point action so that we can export our board. And basically here we will find more action. We go to it, and here we will find export board to Excel. We click on export, and here you can choose to include the updates, include the sub items, and also you can have a copy to your email. So I'm just leaving the include sub items, and I'm going to click on export. And basically after that an Excel file will be downloaded automatically so that we can see our board here that has been created successfully into our Excel file. So basically this is how you export your boards to Excel on monday.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.